Have you ever pondered the beauty of those colorful, cloud-like formations that adorn our night sky? These celestial wonders, with their ethereal glow and intricate patterns, ignite curiosity in the hearts of many. They are not just pleasing to the eye, but are also rich with cosmic secrets. Each one is a mystery, a puzzle waiting to be unlocked. But what exactly are these mystifying entities? What story does their radiance narrate? Those are nebulae, the cosmic nurseries of stars. So what exactly is a nebula? Imagine a vast celestial cloud of dust and gas stretching millions of miles across the infinite expanse of space. This is a nebula, a cosmic wonder that's as enigmatic as it is breathtaking. Nebulae are, quite literally, the stuff of stars. They're the birthplaces of these glowing orbs that light up our night skies, a cradle where matter comes together under the influence of gravity to form new stars and planetary systems. Now let's break it down a bit. When we say dust and gas, we're mostly talking about hydrogen, the simplest and most abundant element in the universe. It's accompanied by helium and traces of heavier elements, all of which are dispersed in an intricate dance that's as chaotic as it is beautiful. The dust part, on the other hand, is made up of tiny particles of solid matter, like carbon and silicate grains, which are often coated with frozen water, methane, or ammonia. Now you might be wondering how these nebulae form. It's all part of the cosmic life cycle. When a star exhausts its nuclear fuel, it can explode in a supernova, dispersing its outer layers into space. This stellar material, now scattered and adrift, can coalesce to form a nebula. Alternatively, nebulae can also be the remnants of a star's formation, the leftover material that didn't quite make it into the final stellar product. Nebulae are not just beautiful to look at, they serve a significant purpose. We are now delving into the cradle of stars, the nebulae. These cosmic nurseries are where stars are born, their lives begin, and their incredible journeys unfold. Imagine a nebula as a colossal cloud of dust and gas, so immense that it spans light years across. In these vast swaths of cosmic material, the birth of a star begins with a process called gravitational collapse. Under the relentless pull of gravity, the nebula's gas and dust start to clump together, growing denser and hotter over time. This accumulation of matter forms a protostar, the earliest stage of a star's life cycle. As the protostar continues to gather mass from its surrounding nebula, its core gets progressively hotter and denser. When the core's temperature reaches a critical point, a process called nuclear fusion begins. This is the heart of a star springing to life. In this fiery process, hydrogen atoms combine to form helium, releasing an enormous amount of energy in the form of light and heat. This is what makes a star shine, and voila, a new star is born. But the story doesn't end there. The life of a star is a continuous cycle of fusion, releasing energy and creating heavier elements. This process continues until the star exhausts its nuclear fuel. What happens next depends on the mass of the star. Some stars will gently puff off their outer layers, creating a beautiful planetary nebula. Others, with much more mass, will end their lives in a colossal explosion known as a supernova, scattering their enriched guts across the cosmos. This cosmic debris may then become part of a new nebula, setting the stage for the birth of new stars. So, the next time you gaze at the night sky, remember this: each twinkling point of light you see, each star, was once just a clump of dust and gas in a nebula, patiently waiting for its turn to shine. Every star, including our sun, began its life within a nebula. Not all nebulae are the same. Indeed, these celestial wonders come in a variety of forms, each with its unique role in the cosmos. Let's delve into the four main types of nebulae: emission, reflection, dark, and supernova remnants. First off, we have emission nebulae. These are the ones that often come to mind when we think of a nebula. They're like the cosmic show-offs, glowing brightly in distinctive hues. How do they do this? Well, they're made of ionized gases that emit light of various colors, often red. The most famous example is the Orion Nebula, a place where new stars are being born as we speak. Next up, reflection nebulae. As their name suggests, these nebulae don't produce their own light but instead reflect the light of nearby stars. They're essentially the mirrors of the universe, showing us the light in a different context. They usually appear bluish because blue light is scattered more than other colors in the spectrum. Then we have dark nebulae, the unsung heroes of the cosmos. These are dense clouds of dust and gas that obscure the light from objects behind them. They're like cosmic silhouettes, providing a stark contrast to the bright objects around them. The Horsehead Nebula is a prime example of a dark nebula, standing out against the bright backdrop of the Orion Nebula. Finally, we have supernova remnants. These are the remains of massive stars that ended their lives in spectacular supernova explosions. They're like ghostly echoes of once mighty stars, still radiating energy and light. The Crab Nebula is perhaps the most famous supernova remnant, the afterglow of a star that was witnessed to explode in the year 1066. So from the glowing emission nebulae to the reflective reflection nebulae, the shadowy dark nebulae, and the ghostly supernova remnants, the universe is teeming with these fascinating celestial phenomena. Each type of nebula plays a unique role in the cosmic tapestry. Indeed, they are the universe's way of showing us that even in the vast expanse of space, variety is the spice of life. Humanity's understanding of nebulae has evolved over centuries. From the ancient times when our ancestors gazed up at the night sky, nebulae were shrouded in mystery. These celestial bodies were seen as divine omens, mystical signs from the heavens, or even the spirits of great warriors. Nebulae were mystical to us, unreachable and unfathomable. As centuries rolled on, our understanding started to change. The invention of the telescope in the 17th century was a game-changer. Early astronomers, peering through their rudimentary telescopes, started to unravel the mysteries of the nebulae. They discovered that these were not ethereal entities but vast clouds of gas and dust. Yet, the true nature of nebulae remained elusive. Fast forward to the 20th century, when our perception of nebulae took another dramatic turn. The advent of modern space exploration and powerful telescopes like the Hubble Space Telescope opened up new vistas of understanding. We began to see nebulae in a new light, quite literally. The stunning images beamed back by Hubble revealed the intricate structures and vibrant colors of these cosmic phenomena. Nebulae were no longer just diffuse patches of light in the sky. We discovered that they are dynamic, ever-changing regions of space, teeming with activity. We found out that nebulae are the birthplaces of stars, the cosmic nurseries where new stars are born from collapsing clouds of gas and dust. Our understanding of nebulae has also shed light on the life cycle of stars. We've learned that stars, like humans, have a life cycle. They are born, they live, and they die. And in their death, they give birth to new stars, continuing the cycle of stellar life. We've come a long way in our understanding of nebulae. From mystical signs to cosmic nurseries, our understanding of nebulae has come a long way, and yet there is still so much more to learn. As we continue to explore the cosmos, who knows what other secrets the nebulae hold for us? The beauty of nebulae goes beyond their colorful appearance. They are cosmic masterpieces, painted by the universe itself, a blend of science and art that leaves us in awe. Each nebula, with its unique mix of gases, dust, and stellar material, creates an intricate tableau of colors and patterns. And it's not just about what meets the eye. The beauty of nebulae extends to the stories they tell us about the universe. Take the famous Orion Nebula, for instance, one of the most photographed objects in space. It's not just a stunning sight to behold, but also a place where new stars are being born right at this moment. It's like watching the universe in action, a continuous, silent symphony of creation. Or consider the Crab Nebula, the remnant of a supernova explosion witnessed by Chinese astronomers in the year 1054. Today, it stands as a beautiful, complex web of gas and dust, a cosmic testament to the life and death of stars. And then there's the Horsehead Nebula, a dark cloud silhouetted against the glow of bright gas. This nebula, resembling a horse's head, is a favorite among stargazers, a symbol of how space can spark our imagination and inspire us. Nebulae are more than just celestial objects. They are stories, mysteries, and artworks rolled into one, a testament to the infinite beauty and complexity of our universe. If you found this video informative, please like and subscribe to our channel for more mind-blowing facts.